ElevenLabs voice cloning tutorial, ElevenLabs how to clone voice. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be talking about how you're going to be able to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. Now, ElevenLabs, as we all know, is one of the best speech to text or any voice related work AI out there. And the best part about ElevenLabs is it also lets you clone a voice, which is pretty incredible. It's a pretty cool feature to have. So to actually clone your voice, what you're simply going to be doing is you're going to come right up here in your ElevenLabs dashboard and go over to voices. Now, once we come over to voices from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to come to the right hand side where it says create or clone a voice. You're going to click on that. And once you do that, you get all these options. Okay. Now, first of all, you have voice design where you can design an entirely new voice, but that's not what we want. What we want is instant voice clone or professional voice clone. Okay. So to instantly clone your voice, you only need 10 seconds of audio and it's going to do that. For professional voice clone, it creates a realistic digital replica of your voice, but it does need 30 minutes of clean audio. Now, obviously, to get this, you do need to make sure that you are subscribed to at least the starter or creator plan, okay? I would say the better option is the creator plan because it's relatively pretty cheap for the first month as well. And generally it's $22, not much money. And it replicates your voice perfectly. Okay. So get the creator plan. Come over to voices, go ahead, click on create or clone a voice, give them a 30-minute recording of yourself of just talking, not a lot of things you need to be doing, just talk in the video, and they should create a perfect clone for you. So that is how you're going to need to clone your voice in ElevenLabs. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.